Welcome to SKNR Max classes. Today I will discuss about Mathematics 1A important 7 marks questions. Every chapter lonchi 3 questions in March 2024 exams. First, functions. First question, if f maps a to b, g maps b to c are two bijections, then prove that g circle f maps a to c is also bijective function. Second question, if f maps a to b, g maps b to c are two bijective functions, then prove that g circle f inverse equal to f inverse circle g inverse. Third question, if f maps a to b is a function and ea, ib are identity functions on AB, then prove that f circle ia equal to f equal to ib circle f. Second chapter, mathematical inductions. First question, using PMI, prove that 1 into 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 into 4 plus 3 into 4 into 5 plus and so on in terms equal to n of n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3 by 4, for all n belongs to capital N. Second question, using PMI, prove that 1 by 1 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 7 plus and so on n terms equal to n by 2n plus 1. Third question, using PMI, prove that 49 power n plus 16n minus 1 is divisible by 64 for all n belongs to capital N. ఇప్పుడు మ్యాట్రిసెస్లో 7 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి 6 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకోతుంటాం. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ చూడండి, షో దట్ mod a b c a square b square c square a cube b cube c cube equal to abc of a minus b b minus c c minus a. Second question, show that mod a plus b plus 2c a b c b plus c plus 2a b c a c plus a plus 2b equal to 2 of a plus b plus c whole cube. Third question, show that mod a b c b c a c a b whole square equal to 2bc minus equal to mod 2bc minus a square c square b square c square 2ac minus b square a square b square a square 2ab minus c square equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc whole square. Fourth question, by Cramer's rule solve 2x minus y plus 3z equal to 9, x plus y plus z equal to 6, x minus y plus z equal to 2. Fifth question, by matrix inverse method solve 2x minus y plus 3z equal to 9, x plus y plus z equal to 6, x minus y plus z equal to 2. By Gauss-Jordan method solve 2x minus y plus 3z equal to 9, x plus y plus z equal to 6, x minus y plus z equal to 2. Next, vector algebra. Vector algebra first question, if a bar equal to I bar minus 2j bar plus 3k bar, b bar equal to 2I bar plus j bar plus k bar, c bar equal to I bar plus j bar plus 2k bar, then find mod a cross b a into b of into c, mod a bar into of b bar into c bar. Second question, find the shortest distance between the skew lines. R bar equal to of ri bar plus 2j bar plus 2k bar plus t of I bar minus 2j bar plus 2k bar, and r bar equal to of minus 4i bar minus k bar plus s of 3i bar minus 2j bar minus 2k bar. Third question, if a bar into b bar into c bar are three vectors, then prove that of a bar into b bar of into c bar equal to of c bar into a bar of b bar minus of c bar into b bar of a bar. Next, transformations. First question, if a plus b plus c equal to 180 degrees, then show that sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c equal to 4 sin a sin b sin c. Second question, in delta abc, prove that sin square a by 2 plus sin square b by 2 minus sin square c by 2 equal to 1 minus 2 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 sin c by 2. Third question, if delta ABC prove that cos A plus cos B minus cos C equal to minus 1 plus 4 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 sin C by 2. Next chapter, properties of triangles. First question, in A, triangle ABC if R1 equal to 8, R2 equal to 12, R3 equal to 24. Find ABC. Second question, in A, triangle ABC if A equal to 13, B equal to 14, C equal to 15, then show that R equal to 65, capital R equal to 65 by 8, small r equal to 4, R1 equal to 21 by 2, R2 equal to 12, R3 equal to 14. Third question, in triangle ABC prove that A cos square A by 2 plus B cos square B by 2 plus C cos square capital C by 2 equal to S plus delta by capital R. All the best all of you. ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ మీకు యూజ్ అయితే ఏమో చూడండి, ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడు మీరు 1 year మొత్తం రివిజన్ చేస్తుంటారు. అప్పుడు రివిజన్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ కూడా ఒకసారి చూసుకుంటే మీకు వస్తాయని ఒక నమ్మకం. ఇలానే ఇంకా మంచి వీడియోస్ చేయాలంటే ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ SKNR మ్యాథ్స్ క్లాసెస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.